My name is Darko, and I recently graduated from Brunel University, London, with first-class degree in economics. One of my most memorable experiences at Brunel was when I was honored to receive the Best Economic Student Prize and later the University Prize for Economics and Finance. I was overwhelmed with gratitude, not only because of the recognition I received, but also it reflected how much I've grown during my journey at Brunel. Brunel shaped both my academic growth and personal confidence. When I first started Brunel, I was both excited and nervous. What helped me overcome these doubts were the incredible lecturers we have here at Brunel and the supportive academic community. They taught us how to think critically, question data, and connect theories with real-world economic issues. Balancing coursework, deadlines, and work life was not always easy, but those moments helped me to build discipline and time management skills. I learned to stay consistent even when things get difficult. Brunel was more than a university to me. It was the place where I discovered my strength, my purpose, and my voice.